How to clear your ChatGPT image history? Here's how. First, open ChatGPT on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Next, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click Storage from the left panel. Now select Images to view all of the images you've generated with ChatGPT. Browse through the list and select the image or images you want to remove. After selecting them, click the Delete button. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted, and the selected images will be removed from your image history. That's it. You've successfully cleared your ChatGPT image history. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more quick and easy ChatGPT tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.